Here's how to create a beautiful Christmas decoration. Place a cardboard tube from a used roll of paper inside a glass container. This tube plays a significant role in the arrangement. Thanks to it, you can quickly and easily create a stunning decoration for your holiday table. Fill the prepared container with ornaments. The color is up to you, but avoid placing them directly into the cardboard tube. Once the container is sufficiently filled, prepare branches of spruce or fir. A carefully arranged base of greenery will make the centerpiece look like it came from a florist. Next, add flowers to the arrangement. The colors and types of flowers are entirely your choice. You can also include branches of thuja, which are popular in gardens. Place these into the tube as well. Add red accents to enhance the festive vibe. With this kind of centerpiece, waiting for the holidays will be filled with charm and a festive atmosphere. You can also use it as a decoration for your holiday table